Feeling 70 from kilogram 1.805 away.
1805, volume 78 uniform kilo.
That 522 Papa 08 right, 020 degrees 5 knots for takeoff.
Takeoff 0 right, that 522 Papa. 008 right.
511, hello to continue approach 08 right, which exit are you heading for today?
511, we're parking up on the uniform ramp and continue approach 08 right.
Okay, which exit are you going to use, sir?
For 511, we'll plan on using Delta.
Good, thank you. Velbon 108 right, 020 degrees 4, clear to land.
Clear to land 08 spar 111.
Building 7293, hold at Juliet 1.
Hold Juliet 1, we're instruments on R3.
Sunrock 245, London 134.125, away.
4125, show my 245, clear.
Follow their instructions to using ground 1.805, bye-bye.
805, follow vehicle ahead of us, bar 1.
Runway 20 Lima Bravo 08 right, 030 degrees 4 knots, clear to land. Building 7293, behind the landing 737 short final by Juliet line at 08 right.
Boeing 19, first flight. With 1, contact London 120.530.